Hi there everyone, your Power here with another vlog. So I am going to be talking about my computer because earlier today when I was editing a vlog I noticed something, and this is something I've noticed for a while actually, but when it comes to editing things, mainly vlogs, I have noticed that my computer has been struggling just a little bit. More so than it used to when I first built this thing. I built this computer back in, was it August or September? I think it was the end of August of 2020, so it's almost been 5 years since I built this computer, which does not feel like it. It feels like it was not that long ago, but yeah. When it comes to editing things like the vlog is actually a perfect example because the vlogs are presented in 4K 30, and I think yeah, I mainly only have issues with editing 4K stuff. The computer will struggle sometimes, especially with playback. I've noticed it can handle the color correction just fine on the vlog, but if there's extra stuff going on, it'll struggle just a little bit, and then it'll be able to play it just normally. I've also noticed that it takes longer to start up the computer than it did when I first built it, but yeah, almost 5 years. When I did build this computer, I built it in mind with the idea of editing things in 4K, but now that it's struggling to do that with some things, it's not like super detrimental or anything. It's just like minor annoyances right now. But yeah, I built this thing not even with like the best parts. I built it with what I was able to get at the time, but I've just been thinking about the future because I am going to want to edit things in 4K, like video game content. The Switch 2 is going to be able to do 4K 60, so I'm going to need to get something that can do that and handle that just fine. And I don't even want to think about like 8K content or 5K content right now. Like that is something I could probably focus on like with the next computer I build. And you know what? Let's show the computer. There's the computer. Can't really see inside the case right now, considering it's like super dark. But yeah, um, I should probably do a better job at cleaning this. That's a little bit dusty. I was doing really good earlier this year with like cleaning the computer and whatnot, but these past couple of months I've just been like really lazy, and dust has gotten, at least up top here, dust has gotten pretty bad. I'm probably going to be building a computer sooner rather than later, but I don't know. It's just on my mind lately. Probably. It'll be fun to build another computer just because I did enjoy doing this the first time. This computer is the first one that I built, and I did learn a lot with that process, but yeah, building a second one at some point would be fun as well. Yeah, that's it. Just wanted to put it out there that building another computer is on my mind, and the current one that I have is struggling just a tiny bit, but yeah, I don't know. I could probably get some more use out of this one for maybe a couple of years. That'd be nice, because I want to use this thing for as long as possible before building another one, but yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna end it off here. Pretty tired from playing volleyball earlier today, and got some more volleyball tomorrow as well. Luckily, I have some time to record a Paper Mario video, like before I play volleyball. Like as soon as I get home from work, I'm just gonna record. But yeah, that's stuff for tomorrow. I'm ending it off here. So thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time for another vlog. Later.